to start off with the box, it came in a pretty unusual kind of box, and then inside the box there's another box, and it has JAINX branding on it. As you can see, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, all that thing. And the first thing is a greeting card, certificate of authentication. Wow, and JAINX, you have it right there, straight on your face. And then the two watches. I was not expecting this actually. I was expecting that there were gonna be two watches and two boxes, but this is actually two watches in just one box as a real combo pack. After the first watch was really, the belts are really great. The belts and the button is, wow, that is nice. The animations, can you see that? And it has magnetic clips which click just like that. If you just try it on and click back out, it's really simple to wear, simple to take out. But I've been wearing this watch by now for around some time, and it's really nice. It does not fall off if you're imagining. I thought the same for the first time I saw it, but no. And the second one, wow, what a display. It has, yeah, green light and other lights as well, red, blue, quite some options to choose from. It looks like, really, like the belt is really soft on this one, unlike the one before, the digital. This one, no, this one is a little bit tough. This one is really light. If you see physically, if you feel it physically, it's really great. And is that metal? I think so, yeah, it's cold metal. I don't know whether it's aluminum or stainless steel, but it's metal, that's for sure. So that has been the unboxing, guys. JAINX, I just bought these watches, and I just wanted to quickly just show you guys about these watches. They're really cool watches. Both of them are really awesome watches.
Whoa, wait, don't just click out yet. So, hey guys, hi, and I did not show you my face. I did not film my face in this video much, I guess. That has a reason. But I just quickly wanted to come by and tell you guys about something. I'm really excited about this stuff, and I want you guys to be excited about this stuff. And that is actually, well, if you might have been around this channel, and if you might have watched all my videos in some or the other video around this channel, you might have noticed my drums, which you right now cannot see. They're on the opposite side. And you might have noticed the guitars and all that musical instruments that are lying around in my house, because yeah, that's the fact. My brother is a musician, my father is a musician, I'm a musician, so we have our own music school. And the point that I'm trying to make is that I am very interested in music, and I've been producing music for a very long time, not too long, just a couple of years. And I have experimented with music a lot. The music that you hear in the videos, in the background, all that music is produced by me, by myself. Most of the music, not all of the music, most of the music is produced by me. And I have produced music for many other things as well, not just for the channel, for different programs, for different videos, for different purposes. But none of those musics I have referred to as my music, and I really want to do that. And so I decided to officially make my own album, and that album is going to come out in December. I'm really excited about it, and that is like the first time that I'm officially going to announce my music as my music. And so the reason that I'm telling you this, guys, is first of all, I'm excited and I want you guys to be excited about it. And the second thing is that first internet platform that I will be uploading this music on is YouTube. And so on this channel, in the further videos, I'll tell you exactly on which date and time am I going to upload that music video on YouTube on this channel, and then you can go and watch that video. But I just wanted to quickly come and tell you guys that you have to be watching out for something really exciting coming months. For the, yeah, that's the only few words that I wanted to say.